this is Martin from Flowlance. Last time I showed you how to set up and design your creator store, and today I'm going to show you how to create a digital product and all the options that go with it. So go to my store and to create new product and click on digital product. So here we have some basic information about the product. We are gonna add a title. You can also customize the CTA button right here. That will take the customer to the landing page, so you can make it whatever you want. Next, you can add a thumbnail image. Yes, this one. Great. Now I'm gonna add a description so you can see how. Where are we? Here we are. Good. So you can see how the layout looks like. So yes, here you have 4 options for how you want the product card to be laid out. You have this basic one, then you can choose this one. This is the one I like the most, and you can choose one with the image on the left and one with the image on the right. But we are gonna go with this, and yes, that's it. Next, pricing. You can either offer the product for free, but that's probably not what you want, so you want to get paid for it, right? Great. You're gonna add a price here. It's, let's say, $30, and you can also indicate a discount. So let's put in $20, and here's the price with the discounted rate. Great. Next, yes, digital product details. So this is very important. Here you will specify the file the customer will receive after after the product purchase. So you can either upload the file, which he will be able to download. So for example, I have some PDF here. Yes, so great, this is the PDF the customer will receive after the purchase. Or you can specify the URL where the digital product is stored. So for example, it can be jennydolan.com/ebook.pdf. Yes, so this is the link customer will see, and he will be able to download the ebook from the link. But we are gonna go with the file. Great. Next, visibility. You can either choose to publish the product outright, or you can leave it as a draft and work on it some more, but we want to publish it outright, so we'll leave it as visible. Great, so this is the very basic setup for this card, for the product card in the creator store. And now we are going to move on to the checkout page or landing page. So this is the page where the customer will be taken after he clicks on this CTA button. Great. So you can customize the title of the product on the landing page. You can leave it as it is, or you can you can expand it presumably, because here you want to keep it pretty short, but here we can go for something longer. Yes, we can add something. Great. Now we can also here you can customize the CTA button text, and yep, that's it. And you can add a cover image. It can be it's I wouldn't say it's recommended, but all right. You can choose a different image than you did in the digital product card in the creator store, because here this image will be larger, both on the phones and especially on the desktop or on tablets. So if you have some image with some more details or some smaller text, this is the place to use it. And yes, next we're gonna move on to the description. Yes, I just pasted here some gibberish, but yes, this is how it looks like. And you can also format this text, and I'm gonna show you how it's gonna look like. So we are going to format this. Great. Yes, you can use all the options you are used to, so bold, italics, underline, all this funny stuff. Then you can also choose the alignment of the text, and you can make it a bullet point list, and you can also make it a call out, make it into a header, and you can also use some other things. You can link to it, you can add image, you can add YouTube video, and you can add emojis. This is very important. No, just kidding. All right, so that's it, and we can again move on. Now, checkout options. So first you can customize the link to the landing page. You can either leave it as it is, or you can go for something shorter, I guess. So you can, for example, make the link say ebook. So the link will be myflowlance.com/jenny/ebook. Next, the success message. This is the message a customer will see after the product purchase. So if you want to ask the customer to give you a review, or if there is some action you want the customer to do, this is a place to ask him. Yes, great. Now, here are some nifty features, so we are gonna go through all of them. First, redirect. Again, after the product purchase, the customer will see the thank you message or the success message, and if you want to redirect the customer to some other website, for example, to your personal website or somewhere else, you can add a link here, and you can choose the delay. So, for example, if we make it 15 seconds, customer will see this success message for 15 seconds, and after that he will be taken to the link that you specify here. But we are gonna leave it off for it now, but you know how it works. Great. Now FAQs. Yes, you can add FAQs to the landing page. This is very useful if customers have some if they ask the same questions all the time. Well, that's what frequently asked questions means, right? Never mind. Yes, so you can add it here. So for example, is it really that good? Sure. No. Sure thing. Great. So yes, it's gonna be displayed on the bottom here, and it's a great place to address all customers' questions, problems, suspicions, or everything else. And you can add multiple of them, but don't. Yes, like 2, 3, 4, 5 is a good number. I wouldn't probably go beyond it if you don't have a good reason to do so. Yes, next, scarcity. You can add this little message here. For example, the price will increase in 3 days. You can add some message here, and it can be either in this purple color, or it can be like a warning in a more visible orange color. Yeah, so we're gonna leave it in the orange because that's more appropriate for a message. And again, you can add multiple of the messages. So yeah. Then we have customer reviews. So yes, this is a funny thing. You can add the customer reviews yourself. So you can just yes, add an image here. Do we have a picture of Jenny? Yes, Jenny will give a review to herself. That's fine because we are just showing you how it looks like, right? So Jenny, no, we're gonna leave it Jenny, right? You can yeah, of course, we are gonna give Jenny, or Jenny's gonna give herself 5 stars, and she's gonna write something nice. But if you want to make these reviews look more believable or more real, you can also add some, I don't know, Trustpilot links or links to your to the review on Facebook or anywhere else, so the customer can check that the review is legit. And yes, see the original source of the review. Great. Again, you can add multiple reviews, and it's gonna. Yes. All right. I'm gonna show you how it's gonna look like. Now it's gonna be Johnny, and yes, the reviews are gonna be. You will be able to, or the customer will be able to slide the reviews horizontally like this. All right. Finally, order bumps. So if you have multiple products, and if you want to offer your customer, well, the customer that will be purchasing one product, something else, this is a place to do it. So let's add, yeah, I'm going to show you an example so you will know what I'm saying. Yes, great. So when a customer will be downloading this ebook, he will be, all right, well, no, let me fill this first. So it's going to cost $10, and the discounted price will be, no, its original price is 20, discounted is 10. Great. Yes. And jennydolan.com/leave. Oh no. Yes. All right. Great. So customer will see this this order bump at the bottom of the checkout page, and he will see that he can get a personalized message from Jenny, and originally it costs $20, but he can get it for 10. This is the thing with these order bumps. You always want to give something discounted here. You don't want to offer it at the original rate, because you want the customer to you want to evoke the feeling that he's getting something, yeah, that he's getting a substantial discount, and customer is very likely to go for it because he's already in the buying mood. He's already buying your ebook, so it's very likely he's gonna buy whatever you offer him here as well. So yes, he can purchase the personalized message, and yes, as always, you can choose what the customer will see or what he will get after he chooses to purchase this. So you can either share a URL. So in this case, Jenny would share some URL that would go to her website, where the customer will be able to fill out some form and, yeah, specify what he wants what he wants Jenny to say in the personalized message video. Video message, right? Or you can choose to upload some files. So for example, if the order bump is another ebook or something similar, you can just upload it here, and that's it. And yeah, and as always, you can add multiple order bumps, and yes, that's it. So when I hit create, the product is live. You can either see it here on the right side, or you can go to the link, and yes, here is the digital product. Now, if you want to test how the whole order process works, you can just go to the digital product and price it as free, so you don't have to deal with the payment stuff. And yes, let's try this out. So let's click on buy it now. As you can see, you are taken, or I was taken to the landing page with the image. As you can see, it's pretty big. So again, as I said, if you have some image that details the product, that has some, I don't know, some more specific image of the product that that is only valuable if it's big. So yes, this is the place to use it. Now this is the title, the price, the CTA button. Here is the description. Here is the review. Here is the Here is the order bump. No, sorry. This is the yes. This is the order form. Customer will put here his name. So yes, Martin from Flowlance, and Martin at flowlance.com. This is the scarcity message, and here is the order bump. Yes, I cannot choose it now because you don't know what you know what I didn't do. I didn't add a payment method. So if you have no payment method added to your account, you will not be able to charge for your stuff. So it is highly recommended to add it, because otherwise you will be forced to give out everything for free, and that's probably not what you want. So as soon as you add a payment method, we offer PayPal and we offer Stripe. You will be, or the customer will be able to buy things. Great, and here is the FAQ. Cool, so let's click on buy it now. Great, this is how the checkout page looks like. No, checkout page, come on, what's going on? This is how the success page looks like. There will be thank you, Martin. The name will be taken from the from the order form, and yes, this is the success message. As I told you, if you need to let customer know something, this is the place to do it, and this is the link to download the product. When I click it, I will download the empty PDF that I specified in the digital product creation process. So yes, that's it. And also this message will be sent to the customer's email. So as you can see, here is the information about it. So if the customer accidentally closes this page, or if he forgets to download whatever there is to download, he can also access it in his email. Cool, so that's how it works. And I can also show you real quick what you will see as a seller. So you will go to orders, and here you will see the order. It's September 10th today, so here is the order, And here are the details. It was for free. Well, the customer, which is me, purchased How to Become a Marketing Expert ebook. And yes, you can also check out the customer details. So you can either do it here from the order, or you can go to customers and click on the customer name, which will be automatically created. Now the customer is in the lead phase here because, because the product was for free. So whenever a product is downloaded for free, the customer is in the lead phase. And here you have some details. Here is the order history. Here are the events. So yes, we'll get to this in the next videos. This is for the online sessions, and also you can add tags, but as I said, we will cover it later. So that's it for today. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create a lead magnet and an opt-in page, which is great for collecting the information from potential customers who are not ready to buy yet, but who are already inclined to get something from you. So yes, this is a great way to not lose them, to get their information, and then gradually convince them to buy something from you. But as I said, that will be for later, and yes, cheerio.